Oh hey friends! Today we're talking about my pink tinsel tree. You can see it here over in the corner of my dining room, finishing off my Wild About You tablescape. This is kind of a mishmash. I've got some fantastic champagne florals from Christmas clearance and some wood hearts from Hobby Lobby and piles of glitter that I really wanted to use as kind of my stash buster for this project. So the only thing that I really bought intentionally for this was these little wooden hearts. I have all these random rhinestones and glitters and all sorts of stuff on hand already. And I bought a bunch of the champagne Christmas floral picks on clearance from Michael's and Hobby Lobby, and paint, like whatever random paint I had, I used. So don't worry about what I'm using. Just use what you have. You probably have a red or pink on hand, but I just did a really quick coat on both sides, just so if the glitter fell off, you had something to work with. And I ultimately decided I wanted the pink glitter because one, this is a stash buster project for me, so I'm trying to use up my glitter, and I have a different vision in mind for red. The red glitter that I had, so I was like, maybe I shouldn't burn through that. I just ended up using a paper plate and some wax paper. I found that wax paper works really well, and honestly, just a little bit of good old-fashioned school glue, and I put a stream on the side and watched some video game streamers, and voila. Now, I made these hangers this way, which, was this the best idea? I don't know. It worked okay for my tree because I was able to bend the tinsel strands, it's a tinsel tree, so it's wire-based, but I just made a loop out of some random ribbon that I had that kind of matched, and it kind of looks like those breast cancer or the cancer awareness things. Does this lay perfectly? Probably not for most trees, but I don't know. I'm sure there's a better way to do it. I'm sure somebody in the comments will be like, duh, you could have just done it the other, just a regular loop, but I didn't. So here we are, but that's okay. I'm not super mad about it, but I just wired on 2 of the glitter covered foam hearts and just threw whatever champagne picks I had left over on the tree. And then I layered on, actually before the champagne picks, I don't know if you can tell, but there's some red tinsel garland in there that's mixed in. That went on first, then the champagne picks, and then the pretty hearts. So it was a really easy kind of using what I got kind of tree. I know not everybody has a pink tinsel tree, but I think this method could still work if you had another tree that was maybe red from Christmas, or even a champagne tree I think would look pretty with this on there. And it's a lot of glitter on glitter, but my channel is called A Sparkly Life for me for a reason. I don't mind. But I liked the idea of adding the red tinsel garland in. It really doesn't stand out a whole lot because the tree is a hot pink, but I think it adds some extra dimension and texture, and I'm happy I'm using up my stash and I don't have to spend money to buy more. So that's really what this project was all about. So will you make the same thing? Probably not, but I hope this inspires you to do a stash busters little seasonal tree like this. It's so easy and it doesn't take much. All right, y'all. Thanks so much for watching, and more videos are coming soon.